Hello guys, I've got a new holder for you. It's called CSTB. CSTB is a holder of Vanisher for a billiard ball. Let me show you. Okay, I'm already loaded. So let me show you this. Okay, I'm not very good at this, but okay. This is how you ditch it. Like you're using a top hit Vanisher. It's here. Very cheap. It's 3D printed, and you don't need to pay for it if you have a 3D printer. Pay for the electricity and the noise. Alright, if you have already downloaded this, you may have found that it does not go all the way in. And I've spent quite some time to think, should I make it deeper so that the ball in the first ditch, in the first push, it could go all the way in. But I realized I shouldn't do it. I can do it, but I shouldn't do it, because in this position, although you can jump vigorously, I can jump lightly, but not vigorously. If you shake it like this, like if you make a really strong guy angry and he would like to hold you and shake you, then maybe the ball will fall, will drop. But look, with one push, I can retrieve it really easily. Okay, so this is a ready position for retrieval. But with two pushes, one, and then later on or consecutively, 2 times, and it's really quite secure. Okay, it's not time for me to show you my dance. Maybe a simple effect with some confetti. Just a classical effect. You throw a ball, and you throw the confetti. That's how you may use the holder. Let me show you how to set it up. 2 pins, pin and pin, outside in, so that you have 2 pins sticking out from your back pocket. Now you see it, Some circular parabola made with rubber band. Where did I start? Okay, so it's a very kind of small rubber band. I think it's this one. This one is the last one I wrapped. Okay, so you can look at it. It's this. And where was I? Here. Wrap it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. For every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For every 4 dents, you wrap a rubber band, and it forms a portal here for the ball. Again, the security test tells you for 1 push, it's sticking out a little bit, and I didn't want to correct that because you could retrieve it quite easily. For 2 pushes, it's more secure, and you could jump. Of course, don't piss off anyone who would like to shake it horizontally. Then it doesn't work. Okay, I don't think you have that scenario on stage. One more time. Okay, I've just wasted 5 seconds of your life. Thank you for watching. Get it now.